In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate HubSpot with Asana to ensure your HubSpot contacts sync effortlessly with your Asana tasks. This guide is perfect if you're looking to bridge the gap between sales and project management, streamlining your tasks and communication. So let's get started. First, let's head over to the HubSpot website. HubSpot serves as a powerful platform for your business's marketing, sales, and service needs. Getting started is simple. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on Login. You'll need your credentials ready, so if you haven't already signed into your HubSpot account, now is the time to do so. This will bring us to the HubSpot home, a hub of your business activities, where we'll initiate the integration process. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation menu. This is where you'll find the marketplace icon. It typically resembles a small store or grid, representing the variety of apps and services you can integrate with HubSpot. By clicking on this icon, you'll open up the Marketplace menu. Here, select the Apps section. This is crucial because it houses a comprehensive collection of both current and potential integrations available to enhance your HubSpot experience. With the Marketplace now open, it's time to find Asana. Simply type Asana into the search bar at the top of the Marketplace page. This search function is quite intuitive and should quickly return a list of relevant results, with Asana prominently displayed. Click on Asana when it appears in the search results. Confirming this selection will lead you to the Asana app page. Here you'll find a summary of what this integration entails, showcasing how it'll improve the synergy between HubSpot contacts and Asana tasks. Now, onto the most important step, the installation. On the Asana app page, you'll see the Install App button. Click this and the installation process will commence. It's typically straightforward, but depending on your HubSpot permissions, you may be prompted to authorize this integration on behalf of your organization. This is vital since it allows your HubSpot contacts to sync seamlessly with your Asana account, fostering enhanced collaboration across your teams. Once installed, you have successfully connected HubSpot with Asana. You can now begin enjoying an integrated workflow where your contacts from HubSpot can effortlessly become tasks or projects within Asana, ensuring everyone on your team stays updated and tasks are managed efficiently. And there you have it, a seamless and productive HubSpot and Asana integration ready to serve your business needs in 2023. Don't forget to explore other integrations that can further optimize your workflow and enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.